In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a responsive website in Wix Studio. As our digital world becomes more fast-paced, having a responsive and adaptable website is essential. So, let's dive into the steps to create your very own responsive website using Wix Studio, a robust platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio website. This platform, crafted for professional developers, offers a comprehensive set of tools to build high-quality websites. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner, and click it to enter your Wix Studio account. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, you'll need to click on Continue with Google after the login screen appears. This option is convenient and secure, ensuring you stay logged into your account across devices while keeping your credentials safe. Once you're in the dashboard, which houses all your site management tools, you'll need to locate the Sites section. This is your central hub for site navigation and management. Click on it to view all the websites you've worked on or are currently managing. Next, to create a brand new site, you'll click on Create New Site. This button is your gateway to beginning a fresh project where your creative ideas can come to life. You'll then see an option to start from a template. Click on Start from a Template. This feature is highly beneficial for those looking to save time or gain inspiration from pre-designed layouts. Wix Studio offers a variety of professionally designed templates, which bring a polished, cohesive feel to your website right from the start. Choose all responsive templates to ensure that the design you pick will automatically adapt to different screen sizes and devices, a crucial feature for modern websites. Scroll through the list of available templates until you find one that suits your needs and aesthetic vision. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on View to scroll through its features and page layouts. This will give you a thorough understanding of the template's capabilities and design elements. If a particular template matches your vision, go ahead and click on Edit Template. This will open up the Wix Studio editor, where you can customize the template, tailoring it to your specific content and stylistic preferences. And that's it, you've now started the process of building your very own responsive website with Wix Studio. Remember, the key to a successful website is not only in its design, but also in its functionality and the experience it offers your visitors. Take the time to explore the various features Wix Studio offers to enhance this experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.